Another scenario you might like to see is that we can, if we've built a risk register right in NetRisk, well, now we can send that out to Excel too. So any table you see in NetRisk can be sent out to Excel. There's great compatibility, interoperability here. Just click the arrow and we can choose export table, and we'll just do the displayed columns. And I do have an export here. It's a very basic export, but very useful. And if you do have downloaded our trial, you already have a risk register template available to you. So what we like to do is go ahead and copy from our raw export. And then we can come over to our template. As I said, if you download the trial, you get this template with the download. And we can come and do a paste, and we'll want to keep the formatting because we already have configured all of the formulas for you. So we'll do a paste where we keep the destination format. And just like that, we've got our risk register exported out to Excel, formatted. So maybe you want to go share this and do whatever you want to do in Excel with it.